Yes, thank you for joining me. We'll be solving this question together. Yeah, my graded students. Let's go. So we have the sides of the rectangle are this and this is a rectangle, right? So we have this our solution for question 1 is a rectangle. So let's pick this as a rectangle because these two sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? Now, they said the sides of the rectangle are this and this. We don't know the values already, so let's pick any of them for the length and the other side for the breadth. So let's say this is x plus 2 over 3, and this is 2x minus 2 over 4 centimeter. The question says the perimeter is this. So if the perimeter, that means the addition of this plus this plus this plus this, if you add them together, addition of all the four sides, everything is equal to 52. That means this plus itself, this one will be x plus 2 over 3, they are the same thing. This one will be this 2x minus 2 over 4, right? So if we add the four sides together, everything is equal to 52. So let's do that. So we have this plus this is the same thing as 2 times itself. Let me go to, we have x plus 2 over 3 plus another one, x plus 2 over 3, then plus this 2x minus 2 over 4, right? Added this and this together, they are the same side. Then this one, the same thing we have was 2x minus 2 over 4. Everything is equal to 52, right? Now, the question will be, what's the next thing we will do? The next thing we can do is this. I said when you have two terms, put them in brackets. You have this brackets, brackets, brackets. Then, if we are to add all this together, it will take some time. You can do that. Add the fractions. They are fractions, right? But why not? They have LCM. The LCM is what? We have 3 occurring 2 times, 4 also 2 times. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is what? Is 12. So let's multiply each of them by the LCM. So we have multiply 2 by the LCM. So having done that, we have 12 times x plus 2 over 3 plus 12, open bracket, x plus 2 over 3 plus 12, open bracket, 2x minus 2 over 4, then plus 12, open bracket, 2x minus 2 over 4 is equal to 12 times 52. That's the meaning of multiplying through. Each of them times 12 times 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. Why are we doing that? So that we can remove the fraction. Then we can solve. So here, 3 we cut out this one before. 3 we cut out this one before. 4 here 1, 4 here is 3. 4 here 1, 4 here is 3. Then we can now open the brackets, right? 4 times x, we have 4x plus 4 times 2. 8 plus the same thing here, 4x plus 8, then plus 3 times this, 6x minus 3 times this, minus 6, then plus what? 3 times this, 6x minus 3 times this, minus 6, 12 times 52. What do we have? We can multiply that out. 4. Then we have what? 2. 5. So we have 624. 624. And what do we have next? How many x do we have? 4x plus 4x, 8x plus 6x. That is what? 4 plus 4, 8 plus this. We have 14, right? 8 plus this is 14. Then 14 plus 6, we have 20. So we can collect like terms. Collecting like terms. So we know that collecting like terms, we have 4x plus 4x plus 6x plus 6x. Then the numbers 8 plus 8 plus or minus 6 minus 6. Then plus 8 plus 8 minus 6 minus 6. Everything is equal to 6 to 4, right? So add together. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20. So we have 20x. This plus this, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 minus 12. Minus 6 minus 6 is minus 12. So 16 minus 12. What do you have? We have 4. Plus 4 is equal to 6 to 4. Correct items. So 20x is equal to what? 6 to 4 minus 4. Automatically, we have what now? We have 20x to be equal to 6 to 4, right? Divide both sides by 20. So 620. These are subtracted, this you have. This cancels this. So x is equal to what? X is equal to this 31. So our x is 31. The value of x is 31. So having gotten that, they said find x. X is equal to 31. They now said find the actual length and breadth of the rectangle. Substitute the value of x into this. This one will now be equal to what? 31 plus 2 over 4. And that is what? 31 plus this. That is 32, 33 divided by 4. 33 over 4. And that is 8 whole number, remainder 1. Right? 4 and 33 is 1. And 8 remainder 1. Points are 0 in 2. In 10, that is 2. Remainder 2 in 20. So this, the length is 8.25. The length, this is equal to the length. The length is 8.25 centimeter. And the breadth will be equal to 2 open brackets 31 minus 2 over 4. So that can be what? 62 minus 2 over 4. And that is 60 over 4. And that is equal to what? 4 in 6, 1 in 20, 15. So the breadth, so automatically, this should have been here because this is more, right? So this should be the length, why this should be the breadth. The length should be longer, it should be more. So this length is 15 centimeters. Now we can say, let me write that here, that the length, I can now say that the length is equal to what? 15 centimeter, and the breadth is 8.25 centimeter. Yeah, done. So that's a simple way to solve it. Now, if we have been able to solve that question, let me see question 2. Fatima is X years old, and her brother is half of their father's age, who is now 60. How old is Fatima and her brother? So Fatima is X years old, and her brother is half of their father's age. So we are going to have an algebraic expression for this solution. I want you guys to answer the question. For the third question, when Fatima is X, just like they said, how old is Fatima and her brother? So you want to get Fatima's age, right? Fatima's age is X, it is stated. And there's no relationship between Fatima's age and the brother's age. Fatima's age is X old, yes, X years old, and her brother is half of their father's age, who is now, so automatically you know, half of 60. How old is Fatima and her brother? Add their ages together. It's a simple question. So right away. For this one, we call it solve this. I will guide you from here. This is what you do. This is what you will do here. If this, you have 4 over x minus 3 over 4x is equals to 5. I told you something. whenever you are dealing with, it's a fraction, and you're having an equality sign at the right hand side, and you're having 5, a whole number. Here, there are two things. You can either make these two fractions, make this a single fraction. And how can I make it a single fraction? Look for the LCM, solve, get whatever you get is now equal to 5 over 1, then you cross multiply, they are done. Or you multiply through, just like we did here. You can multiply through by the LCM. What is the LCM of 4x and x? What is the LCM of 4x and the LCM is 4x. Yes, the LCM of x and 4x is 4x. So you can multiply this by 4x, multiply this by 4x, multiply this by 4x. Am I communicating? Then from there, you get the answer. So you are solving this question and this question. Thank you for joining me. I see you in class.